So whenever you are triggered in any which way, so you see it as an opportunity to now just observe what's happening inside me without any need to control, without any need to trying to get into storytelling, making someone right, making yourself right, making someone wrong. Just be watchful of those tendencies. All you need to do is literally mindfulness is like doing nothing, just watching whatever is happening. And in that nothingness, it gets released. That's how it is. And the more you practice mindfulness, then the greater the capacity you have to watch when you're triggered. अगर तुमने जिम गए नहीं फिर सडनली तुम्हें कोई बोले वेट उठाओ तो you will not be able to. So every day if you're practicing mindfulness, every opportunity if you're practicing mindfulness, जब वो trigger होगा, then you can watch it क्योंकि तुमने muscle build किया है. Then you can be with it. नहीं तो वो emotion आएगा वो तुम्हें ले जाएगा खींच के एकदम. And at the end of the day, all these are sensations and impulses. So if you can just watch the sensation and impulse, it will come and it will dissolve. It's like a bubble that comes into consciousness and and the energy gets released once. Let me share an experience with you in continuation with what I had shared last time. So something has happened in my life recently, and then because that I was feeling great degree of sadness and feelings of abandonment and rejection and all of that. And I remember mentioning in the last class also that I used to go to Ramakrishna Math or mission, just sit there on a chair, just experience my sadness and not doing anything about it. So this lasted for 10 days. And I remember day before yesterday, I can actually tell you the time also, around 10:30 p.m. I was watching some YouTube video of Jiddu Krishnamurti, where he talks about what is love or something. And then he talks about identifying the source of where all your pain comes from or something. And at that moment, something shifted. Matlab, I can clearly gather that something shifted in that, and then that energy got released. फिर उस moment के बाद मेरे को वो feelings, वो emotions चले गए. Are you getting what I'm saying? पर मेरे को 10 दिन तक उसके साथ I had to be with it. अभी मेरे को नहीं मालूम था वो 10 दिन रहेगा, 1 महीना रहेगा, कितना रहेगा. But I had to just be with it. And the more you're able to watch it, you will see that eventually some shift will happen and that energy gets released. And the learning is not so much cognitive. Okay, now मैंने से ये सीखा कि ना अब मैं आगे से ऐसा करूंगा या अब मैं ऐसा नहीं करूंगा. Or that is not really learning. Making any concept out of anything is not a learning, because you can't make a concept out of anything. Nothing will sustain. Maybe you can make, okay, in situations, this is what I'm realizing. Maybe I have realized this pattern about me. That's at best. And it's also not something that comes out of intellectualization or analysis. It's just like you automatically know. It's like in that moment, I intuitively knew that what energy in me is attracting this kind of feelings and situations. It just intuitively it's like वो एकदम बत्ती जैसे जल जाती है ना, like खड़ा cognitive shift or something. Once that happened, I think Prashant can relate to that. It's like once that happens and cut, then that energy is gone. Well, it's just a shift. So sometimes you have to just be with those feelings and just observe and allow them to come up. उबाल आ रहा है, आने दो, आने दो, आने दो, आने दो, आने दो, आने दो, आने दो. फिर कहीं ना कहीं शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. बट जितना तुम उस स्टोरी टेलिंग में चले गए ना, दिमाग में किया उसने ऐसा किया, मेरे साथ अच्छा नहीं हुआ, उसने वो किया, फिर then you are not giving the opportunity for all that. Your energy is getting into the mind. Your energy is not available for awareness and attention. So as far as possible, try to keep your energy, because if you really look at what is awareness and attention, it's an energy. And you need lots of energy when all this is coming up to just watch it. It is not easy to watch whatever is coming up. So those are very difficult sensations and feelings and emotions. So you want to run away from it. And your way of running away from it, you will get into kind of some pleasurable activity, some addictive behavior, overeating, pornography, vagera, vagera, or you will get angry about it to someone, or you'll start talking about it too much. So you should not, ideally, I would not even recommend talking too much about what's happening to you, because when you bring in the other person, then he will add his story to it. So then it becomes all the more muddled. Your opportunity to just watch what is happening becomes compromised. So whenever something like this happens, confusion, doubt, sadness, or anything of that sort, just watch, just observe. चाहे कितना भी time लगे वो observation करने में. And if sometimes if you have to go to sit in a temple, then just go and sit in a temple. Maybe if you want to, and you must also be kind to yourself when you have undergoing this process and this phase, that you should realize कि अभी मेरा ना system थोड़ा हिला हुआ है, affected है. So I need to just be a little kind to myself. You should say that like, okay, I'm not mentally, emotionally fit right now, so I need to be a little kind. So maybe you need to say, take some time out to just be with yourself. So that is how the subconscious works, and that is how you can work with your subconscious. Yeah, Prashant.
So you truly said, the storytelling things. I have not met you before. If I have met you, before that, I guess I have not wasted my huge amount of time wasting storytelling to me myself.
Yeah.
Maybe that click had happened earlier. It is actually happening, when we are telling ourselves that why this happened, why that happened, that makes ourselves so miserable, and that changes the entire thinking process.
Correct. Yeah. And then people can be caught in stories for years and years. Like once, when I had a story and I had some emotional crisis and setback, I continued my story for 9 years. I think, Prashant, your story continued for 10 years, right?
Yes.
So, 10 साल तक फिर तुम वो या 9 साल तक you're carrying one story and the emotions associated with that story. मेरे साथ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, cynicism, resentment, sadness, melancholy, ये सब, all you're holding on to one story. वो emotion तो आएगा और चला जाएगा, वो sensation तो आएगा चला जाएगा. चलो 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 1 हफ्ता, 10 दिन, 15 दिन, whatever, but चला जाएगा, उसको बस देखो. It's simply saying that something in your subconscious is triggered and you just need to watch it. And then in that watching, sometimes you may also get a click of the pattern कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इस situation में, या मेरी कौन सी energy है जो ये situation attract कर रही है. Then you become aware. Yeah, Prashant.
When you're saying that you just observe, I can actually feel that I'm having a pain over this part. Whenever I start thinking or start storytelling or something like that, I can actually feel that something is really heavy over this.
Yeah.
And then I'm just concentrating on that, and after 15 minutes is gone.
Correct. Yeah.
This is what my experience after meeting you. You told me to observe, just concentrate, and I can feel actual difference in me.
Correct. And the main thing is you're watching without any storytelling. You're just watching. You're just watching the sensations. You're not saying that even the sensations should go away, will go away. But you're just watching. And in that watching, that's where the magic happens. That's where the dissolution of karma happens. That's where the dissolution of your emotional blockages, whatever they are, they get released. So, and if you really ask me, what are you doing in watching? क्या कर रहे हो? When you're watching, what are you doing? Physically, what are you doing?
Nothing. I just observe that pain and try to, if there's stories coming, I'm just trying to avoid the stories and just concentrate on my pain, what I'm having.
Yeah. So the first word you use is exactly what you're doing. You're doing nothing.
Yeah.
ये करना ना सबसे बड़ा मुश्किल काम है लोगों के लिए. कुछ मत करो, अभी बस मतलब देखो बस क्या हो रहा है, तमाशा. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो हो रहा है, अपने आप होने दो, वो अपने आप ही निकल जाएगा. तुम उसको कुछ करोगे ना, तोड़ोगे मरोड़ोगे अपने दिमाग से, अपना दिमाग लगाओगे, ये हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, उसने ये नहीं किया, ये नहीं, और फिर कुछ करोगे, physically get into addictions and get into some kind of revenge story, all that stuff. तो फिर you're not allowing that thing to release. तो तुम अपना जितना तुम कुछ करोगे उतना तुम उसको, और then you get caught up in the grip of, and that is the karma cycle. वो tendency निकला, तुमने उसको और तोड़ा मरोड़ा तो और तुम उसमें घुस गए, फिर और तुमने तोड़ा मरोड़ा, तो that is how karma gets formed. That's how those tendencies become stronger and stronger, and you're not allowing it to release. And allowing it to release means you have to really do nothing but just watch.